All right, so I have with me Taha Shah, the singing sensation, not just in Mumbai but all across the globe. And his new single is just out, Ek Wari. इसको 4 million से भी ज़्यादा views and counting on YouTube, of course, and all other platforms. And he is with us today right now. But his better half from this song, who is also a Shah, Daisy Shah, is not able to join us because of the low network. But hopefully जल्द ही वो हमें join करेंगी. But Taha, welcome to the chat show and welcome to Radio 4. And
thank you. You know, I've always wanted to be such a great actor that everybody believes what I do, like how you just believe that I actually sang the song. But नहीं भाई, मैंने गाना गाया नहीं है, शहजान भाई ने गाया है. हमारी ऐसी औकात नहीं. I am just performing और and one day I definitely, मेरा goal है अगले साल मैं जरूर गाऊंगा. पर आपके मुंह की शक्कर. हाँ?
See, that's what happens when singers sing the song and then they get beautiful people to perform on it. तो लोग automatically समझते हैं कि you know, जो screen पे गा रहा है उसी ने गाया है. तो actually it's a good thing for you, bad thing for the singer, but yeah. So then, how did this album come about?
This album was भाई it was a blessing, क्योंकि ये album जो था it was already किसी और को बेचा हुआ था. फिर हमने मिन्नतें मांग के संजीव जी से, तो संजीव जी who's the music composer, he pulled out the music from somebody else और फिर उन्होंने हमें दिया. So I've been blessed with this song. You know, कभी ऐसा होता है कि जितना आप चाहो कभी वो मिलता नहीं है, but then आपके पास आ जाता है ना वो चीज, वही आपके लिए होता है. So this is how it was, man. we put it out there कि ये गाना बहुत अच्छा है, चलेगा, तो हमें, you know, and it came to us. So that's how the song came into existence for me. And उसके बाद डेजी ने, तो जब हमने डेजी को गाना भेजा, डेजी को इतना पसंद आया, उसने कहा कि you know, it touched a string in her heart. उसने बोला कि मुझे ये गाना करना है. And she came on board and she's been such a fabulous sport. She's been so energetic. And वो तो आप सब लोग को पता ही है कितनी अच्छी डांसर है वो. इस गाने में उसने, you know, she didn't do that much of dancing, but she was completely there in her acting, in her performance, and you know, she was supporting the whole team. And yeah, I you know, I love her work, and I hope कि, you know, ये गाना हो गया, अगली बार आप एक फिल्म देखोगे.
Right. I know you guys are both shooting for very exciting projects. We'll come to that a little later, but Taha Shah and Daisy Shah, are you guys already related or something? I'm sure you get that a lot.
Yeah, we are soul related, bro. You know, we're soul related. सिवाय मैं गुजराती नहीं हूँ, मैं technically I'm a South Indian, and Daisy is a Gujju, and she's a very sweet Gujju, very talented, and so yeah,
Gujju, I should say.
I'm sorry?
As a proud fellow Gujju, I should say, yeah, that's great.
Oh yeah, you're proud. Okay, awesome, brother. नहीं, तो she's definitely full on Gujju. वो गुजराती में बात करती कभी मुझसे.
Did she feed you any good Gujarati fafda and gathia and any sweet?
उसने दिखाया था मुझे. उसने बहुत अपनी कहानियां बहुत सुनाई उन्होंने कि पापा ने उसको वहां पे लेकर गए, ये खिलाया वो खिलाया. तो उसने कहा तुम खाओगे? मैं बोला मैं तो नहीं खाऊंगा यार, ऐसा खाऊंगा तो बॉडी कौन दिखाएगा फिर. वो मैं खाता ही नहीं, मैं it's not in my, I just can't eat it.
She eats it and still she has this great body.
She's lucky, bro. मैं इतना lucky नहीं हूँ, मुझे बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ती है.
All right. So my other question is that you know, while you guys were shooting, did you guys have any good experiences or any funny things that happened that you want to share with our audience?
हाँ नहीं, एक हमने जब एक romantic scene जब हमने shoot किया था, जो the trees were pink in color, और हमें एक दूसरे के पास आना था, और फिर, you know, I had to move her hair off her face and then go close to her. I feel couple of times जब हमने वो किया तो कुछ ना कुछ गड़बड़ होता था, या तो फिर कैमरा बहुत नजदीक आ जाता था, या तो फिर मैं ट्रिप हो जाता था, या तो उसके हाथ उसके बाल में उसके हाथ, मेरे हाथ उसके बालों में फंस जाते थे. तो ऐसे सिनेरियोस भी होते हैं. But it's all very exciting.
रोमांटिक सीन चल रहा है और बाल में हाथ फंस गया और पूरा खींच गया ऐसे, you know, that's a good blooper.
Sorry baby, continue, let's keep rolling.
Snap you right there. Right. But where did you guys shoot, and how many days did it take for you to complete the shoot?
भाई आपको आपने जब गाना देखा आपको कितना लगा कि हमने कितने दिन शूट किए?
2-3 दिन?
यस एग्जैक्टली। नहीं भाई, हमने ना ये पूरा गाना एक दिन में निकाला है।
Okay.
हमने 18 घंटे 20 घंटे शूट करके ये पूरा गाना हमने इन्हीं A to Z सुबह 7 बजे से लेकर रात के 3-4 बजे तक हमने शूटिंग की। And all the crew members were, I mean, we all were so tired. पूरा दिन हमें धूप में डांस करना था और ऐसे हमने, और ये लोकेशन भी जो थोड़ा सा ग्रीस वीस लग रहा है ना, ये we have a couple of sets जो 3-4 घंटे मुंबई से दूर है और वहां पे हमने शूटिंग की। तो धूप तो भाई
Solid.
धूप का मौसम था, यानी समर।
October heat. When did you shoot? October?
नहीं भाई, अक्टूबर तो तब भी थोड़ा रेन बारिश हो रही थी अक्टूबर में। जैन फेब मार्च अप्रैल में शूट किया था, April 28th.
Right in the middle of the pandemic, हाँ मतलब?
No, right before the pandemic. Like 28th को हमने शूट किया and मई को लॉकडाउन शुरू हो गया हमारे यहाँ।
The second lockdown.
The second wave, yeah. So that's why we just got it out और फिर लॉक हो गया। उसके बाद फिर हम लोग घर पे थे 2-3 महीने। उसके बाद फिर वापस काम।
How did it impact you personally, the lockdowns and COVID?
Man, I look at it that it was actually quite good for me. It gave me a lot of time. Bhaga dodi se, the rat race is always on, and we're always like, ये करता हूँ। और लॉकडाउन ने ऐसा कर दिया कि भाई तू जो करना है ना, तभी तू दिमाग में कर, क्योंकि बाहर तो नहीं जा सकते। तो I feel that that gave me a lot of time to spend with myself. I was stuck in LA for the first wave. 7 महीने में वहाँ पे था, तो वहाँ पे अकेला था। तो I was just living in Sunset Boulevard. अकेला था, बाहर भी नहीं जा सकते थे, and I got to learn so much. So it's been a great thing for me. I feel even the second lockdown, बहुत सारी चीजें हुए लॉकडाउन के बाद। तो मुझे यानी अपनी लाइफ के सबसे ज्यादा काम मुझे अभी मिले हैं। So yeah, man, I think it's been okay for me, luckily.
Yeah, that's
Allah का शुक्र है।
blessing in disguise. Okay, and what are the future projects that you're working on? I'm told that you're working on something really exciting. So tell us.
भाई एक बहुत बड़ी एक प्रोजेक्ट है। It's a series. हिंदी में है, of course. It's a Z5, produced by Z5. Inshallah bahar internationally to release on Netflix. It's a historic मुगल एम्पायर के बारे में है। सुल्तान अकबर और उनके 3 बेटों की कहानी है। और I'm playing one of his sons. और it's a race to the throne कि कौन बादशाह बनेगा। So it was very exciting. I've always wanted to play a period, especially a Mughal empire, something to do with the Mughal empire. So that is one which is coming out inshallah April में अगले साल release हो जाएगी। और उसके अलावा एक 2 फिल्में हैं। दोनों फिल्में, one is a family drama rom-com, and the second one is a complete out and out comedy. तो ये 2-3 चीजें आ रही भाई अगले साल, और इसके अलावा 2-3 म्यूजिक वीडियोस भी आ रहे हैं।
So your plate is quite full. Just before we move into the last and the final segment, which is a small game that I want to play, I want to ask you.
Oh, I love games.
Yeah, this is a nice game that you will like. It's called Word to Word, which I play with most of the celebs that I interview. But I'll tell you more about that. Before that, right now it's a difficult time for Bollywood, as it is for everyone else. When it starts, like right now, since the lockdown and stuff, and since last year, a lot of things are happening, in Bollywood. So how do you view it, the whole boycott Bollywood wave, and how, the whole drug bust happening every now and then, big stars getting into the net, and, like the entire news that's happening around it. What is your take on it?
First of all, let's start off. I think the whole thing started off with Sushant. And I know Sushant. I met him many times. He's a great guy. Yeah, I've met him many times. और हम लोग जब यानी Manish Malhotra का जो birthday parties and those events, film fair, ये वो Stardust. I mean, so many events, right? So we always bump into each other. He's always been very cordial.
Right.
I wouldn't call him my best friend or something, but I know him. We talk to each other. He's always the energy, always pumping, the energy up. So I respect him, but that was very unfortunate. What happened or whatever happened, I don't know, but it was unfortunate. He's a very talented young man, and it's a big loss to Bollywood. And then with that, all this drugs, and that's when the drugs thing started. I feel that drugs is not good. I am no one to say he did it, who did it. I personally, I don't know, but I would say that yes, drugs nowadays has infiltrated the youth, in a very strong way, and I myself know of, like, let's say my friends, cousins, or things like that, and हम पंजाब के बारे में बात करते हैं, चंडीगढ़ के बारे में बात करते हैं, तो बोले कि भाई ये तो ऐसा हुआ, ये ऐसा हुआ, इस बंदे ने ड्रग मार के उसने he died. These things are very serious, man, and I'm very glad that I've been born and brought up in Dubai, where there was no drugs.
Yeah.
Where there was like, I haven't even drunk, like until I was like 21, I didn't even drink.
Right.
I didn't even have a drink in my hand. I've never done that. So I think Dubai gives you this very secure feeling, and it's great for growing up, but yeah, about these busts which are happening, man, I just hope that people are, more conscious about their actions. And even me and everybody else, whatever is happening, we should all be conscious. We should all be aware of the kind of image that we are portraying, because, it can affect the youth who are looking up to us. People who follow you on Instagram or follow you, if they find something out, then they'll be like, oh, we thought so differently of you, and now you're this. So I feel that we are in the public eye. I'm sorry?
All your hard work basically gets eclipsed.
Yeah, man, everything gets eclipsed, right? Just one thing can just be like, it's like, what? It really dominates everything. So I feel that you should not, it's not like be, छुप के करो, ऐसा नहीं है. मैं नहीं बोल रहा हूँ, मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि भाई कि you have to change yourself, because if you're in the public eye, you should be responsible. You should be, you should inspire people, and not turn them towards, let's say, unfavored ways.
Yeah. Absolutely. And you said you were born in Dubai, and that's a question. Good, you reminded me. I had it in my mind, but I forgot. And obviously, you've come here so many times. So tell us more about your Dubai connection. How long did you live here, and do you still have your family here?
Yeah, bro. My family is there full on. मैं Abu Dhabi में पला बड़ा हूँ. I mean, I was born there, and I stayed there for about 8 years. उसके बाद मैं शारजा चला गया. शारजा में I'm from Shoifat, Sharjah Shoifat, and the American school, Sharjah American school. So I've studied in both of them. Shoifat, though, I've been there my whole life mostly. All my friends are there. सारे मेरे दोस्त, बचपन के दोस्त, सारे वहाँ पर हैं. सारे दुबई में हैं, शारजा में हैं, अजमान में हैं, अबू धाबी में हैं.
Where are you from? But you said you're from South India. Like, what is your roots? What are your roots? Where are your roots from?
पापा जो हैं वो तमिलनाडु से हैं, और मम्मी जो हैं वो कर्नाटका से हैं. So they came, settled in Dubai, in Abu Dhabi, and then my brother, and then me, I was born. Or my whole life is in Dubai, bro. I mean, जब भी मैं, when you listen to old songs जब आप स्कूल में थे, so it's only Dubai thoughts. यानी हम, how from Shoifat हम लोग स्कूल skip करके हम लोग इंडिया पाकिस्तान की क्रिकेट मैचेस देखने जाते थे, या तो फिर वहाँ पर एक they have these, जो क्या बोलते हैं, the people from South Malayalam people, they have these restaurants there, and
Cafeterias.
we go to cafeterias. Yeah, हम लोग वहाँ पे बैठ के हम लोग, sausage sandwiches खाते थे, drinks पीते थे. We would go play Counter Strike in Dubai. या हम लोग सहारा मॉल के जो वहाँ पे जो highway है ना, we actually crossed that in heavy traffic, in like everybody traveling 120 speed. We ran across that road. So all these silly memories. very dangerous bro. अभी तो मैं भाई मैं कभी नहीं करूँ, कभी ना करूँ, पर उस टाइम पे हमने कर लिया.
तब तो शायद फाइन कम होंगे, अब तो बहुत बड़े बड़े फाइन्स है.
अभी अभी अभी
अगर
तो भाई
जिंदा
वो
बचे तो फाइन भर के, मतलब that will be your punishment, the biggest one.
Yeah, I think that time when we were like, I was in whatever 10th grade, 11th grade, they started putting up so many क्या बोलते हैं cameras on the roads in Dubai. उसके बाद तो हर नुक्कड़ कोने पर वो तो कैमरा ही कैमरा है, तो you know it's almost like you know, so I remember Dubai in its raw, and now it's at its glory, and I love Dubai, man. I love UAE. I love the people. I'm so glad that I was born and brought up there, and I hope that all the Desis who are listening to this right now appreciate where you're from. You know, send back love to Dubai. You know, because Dubai has given me a lot. Whoever I am, I'm because of Dubai. And yeah, I hope that I can one day make Dubai proud as well as India.
Do you know any Arabic?
Do I know any Arabic? The Arabic I know, you don't want to know that. No, as in I wish I knew.
You can't say that on camera. That's the kind of language you know you're saying.
I cannot say that on camera, definitely not. जब हम नया भाषा कुछ सीखते ना तो हमेशा वही, you know, we learn those kind of words, which is fun. But I really truly from my heart, I really want to. I actually मेरे एक Arabic sir जो थे वो मुंबई में आके मुझे सिखाते हैं पढ़ना, अरबी पढ़ना. तो I want to be connected.
So great. Okay, so I'm glad that you know you are connected to your roots, and you want to make both the countries really proud, and I'm sure you will do it someday, very soon. You're on your way to doing that. But for now, it's time for you to make me proud by winning this game, which is called Word to Word. I'm going to ask you one word, and you have to quickly say the next word that comes to your mind first. Okay, no time waste. Fatafat bolna.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's begin. Bollywood.
Fame.
Promotions.
Hard.
Instagram.
Waste.
Waste. Okay, Daisy Shah.
Waste of time, but you have to do it.
Daisy Shah.
Lovely.
Dubai.
Home.
Mumbai.
Second home.
Struggle for work.
Real.
Lockdowns.
Educational.
Okay. Coronavirus.
Devastating.
Stardom.
Wow. Stardom.
Fans.
I'm sorry?
Fans.
Truth.
Girlfriends.
Necessary.
Girlfriends, you mean SSS?
No, having girlfriends in your life one by one is necessary for learning process because they break your heart.
Everything is your learning process. Na? Lockdown, ladkiyan, sab kuch learning hai.
I look at it that way.
So who are you learning right these days?
These days, man, I'm so actually blessed to be on this set, and the people on this set are from all over the world.
No, I mean, yeah, that is from the work side. I'm saying personally, who are you learning right now? Who is your
personally? Who am I? Unfortunately, I am not. Unfortunately, I'm not with anybody. So yeah,
single status right now. Okay. All right. Okay. Finally, then in that case, Tinder. What is your reaction?
Oh wow! I have never been on Tinder, man.
Really?
Yeah, I've never been on Tinder. I actually, when I was in the LA, they have something called Hinge.
Okay.
So I had opened that once, but man, it's like I said, like Instagram, like you really need to like be focused on that app, you know. And itna nahi hai bhai mere mein.
Yeah. Dating and hunting for dates is also a full-time job, as it turns.
Yeah, man.
Okay, and finally, okay, me. मेरे लिए कुछ बोल दो.
Ronak, Gujarati, true Gujarati, has lovely hair, a lovely smile,
Oh, lovely.
and
Struggling with it.
I really to be so I've started a little bit of production here and there. So my mom is very enterprising. So she recently co-produced a Gujarati film.
Really? With whom?
Yeah.
I might know them.
Well, Pratik Gandhi is in the film.
Pratik Gandhi, yes, yes. I mean, I've interviewed him, and since my brother works with the production house back in Mumbai, he's worked very closely with him on a couple of his
Yeah,
movies.
he's great, man. So yeah, that's I hope कि अगले साल हम कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि अगले साल वो भी रिलीज हो जाए. तो जब वो रिलीज होगी तो मैं आपको जरूर फोन करने वाला हूँ भाई.
पक्का दुबई का प्रमोशन हमारे रेडियो स्टेशन पे करेंगे.
Thank you, bro. Thank you.
Are you also acting in it?
नहीं भाई, ये तो सिर्फ प्रतीक भाई का.
शूट हो गई है.
शूट हो गई है, रेडी है, पूरी रेडी है, बस हम लोग डिसाइड कर रहे हैं कि कब रिलीज कर दें.
चलो सही है. We'll now I have your number. We'll be in touch. And thank you so much for taking out time to talk to us. And once again,
thank you for having me, Ronak bhai. And sorry अगर वो आपको थोड़ा सा delay कर दिया.
It's not your fault. It's all right. The internet connection. And it would have been more fun if Daisy would have joined. But
definitely, bro. She's been messaging and she's. I mean,
can't
but I am
do
not
anything.
Her
business is her business. None of our business. We can't say anything. So उसको कुछ बोल नहीं सकते. But yeah, maybe next time. But thank you so much and see you soon when you are in Dubai. Okay.
Thank you, Ronak bhai. Thank you for having me.
Bye.
Khuda Hafiz. Take care, man. Take care.